Hey, what's up? This is Joseph and welcome to the second part of Tone. So we already spoke about filters, darkroom, and adjust. But let's see what else we got. Let's begin.
The next tool is Duo, that adds a filter of 2 colors. And like darkroom, we also have presets ready to use and you can set them in the way that you want. So let's take a look. The first tool is Shape, that lets you define the shape of the transition of your colors. It can be radial, linear, or in a mirror shape. Then you have these little arrows that will make the transition smooth or sharp. You can change the size, position, or in the case of radial, the shape. Next is Move. If you want to move the widget around, then tap on it. And if you want to zoom in or out, then tap it again. You can define the color combination through color 1 and color 2. You can choose from the color palette or drag this little bar and choose any color. If you tap on the plus icon, you'll save this as a new color. And the color picker allows you to choose colors from the image. If you remember from previous lessons, blending is the way that these colors will blend into the image. Then we have Target. Target lets you play with specific colors of the image. And the way we select these colors is with the same widget from Duo, that lets you define smoothness or shape. The red color is the color selection that will be affected. Once you have chosen the range of colors, you can start experimenting with the different features. Film is great for giving your image a vintage look. Here we also have presets, but you can customize them and save them. Here you'll find different kinds of texture within scratches. You can change the coloration by using these tools. Fade gives an old look as well as grain. And the last one is black and white, which works similar to the darkroom or film. And here you can achieve very cool black and white effects. So for example, I can apply this effect and then tap on the check mark. Then I'm gonna add some Duo effect. And now this image is starting to look much more interesting. So that's it for Tone. Hope you like this, and I'm gonna see you on the next lesson.